Welcome to Ankidyne, where innovation meets purpose. We believe in making education accessible to all. Ankidyne is an industry forerunner and trusted manufacturer of Science Park, STEM Museum and playground equipment based in Chennai, India. For over 3 decades, Ankidyne has successfully delivered 50,000 plus projects and proudly served 32,000 plus customers. Our journey started in 1993 with a single freelance project to create a science park for Vishwa Shanti Vidyashram at a time when such interactive learning spaces were uncommon. The impact of that project inspired other schools to invest in interactive learning spaces, leading to the founding of Ankidyne. Our long-standing presence in the market reflects our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Over the years, we have expanded our expertise to include STEM labs, STEM parks, digital planetariums, and museum exhibits. In addition to our core STEM park and playground equipment, Ankidyne offers a wide range of products to provide complete educational and recreational solutions. Our educational product range includes STEM Park/Science Park, outdoor interactive learning exhibits that curriculum mapped with STEM concepts, bridging the gap between textbook theory and real-world innovation. STEM Labs, hands-on learning laboratories for science, technology, engineering, and math. Teaching aids, tools and kits to support learning in classrooms and labs. Digital planetariums, interactive astronomy and space learning experiences. STEM Museum, indoor STEM exhibits that are custom-made to suit your curriculum, space, and learning objectives. Play and inclusive parks, safe, fun, and creative outdoor playgrounds for children, including inclusive equipment for special needs children and fitness equipment for all ages. Discover 2,000 plus products from our educational range at thescienceexhibit.com and explore our complete play solutions at theplayequipment.com. Our vision: to be a globally recognized industry forerunner and trusted manufacturer in playground and STEM solutions by transforming spaces into engaging environments, expanding across India and abroad. Mission: to design and deliver high-quality, premium and innovative spaces that makes STEM education accessible and experiential to all. We are excited to have you as part of the Ankidyne story. Over the last 32 years, we have transformed thousands of spaces into places where children learn, discover, and grow. Now, it's your turn. Let's build something extraordinary together.